Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Brains. So let us see like how tomorrow market can react. So today I have opened the Nifty charts and Banknifty chart. So basically if you see the chart, your levels will be very clear. So beyond this level I should buy, and beyond this level tomorrow market can become weak, right? So today let us see today's analysis, like why I told like market will turn into a bullish move. So if you see today's opening, right here, the market opened, right, and clearly before yesterday only I like clearly told below this swing market can come to a selling positions. Okay, so today the market opened here, and what was the previous day's high? Previous day was high somewhere near about this point. So whenever it took a break in Nifty, if you see the Bank Nifty did not break that time. Okay, so morning I told like bank move is still yet to be like it's pending, right? So Nifty, as soon as it broke here, it took a support from this level and started moving up. So similarly, if you see what we can see is like from here the buyers were present, here buyers were present, here buying peoples were present. So market will come to selling only when these people get panic, right? So tomorrow what can it happen? So if market opens flat, right, market can take support here, this part, and it can move from here. So if market opens flat, it might take support here and then it can move upside journey. Otherwise, if a market opens in a gap down, there can be a panic scenario for this particular bias, and market can easily come down very fast. Okay, so let's see what tomorrow we can plan and how we should plan for buying and selling. I should not prefer because this is a trending buying momentum in the market, so I'm not planning for any point of sellings. Okay, so let's see tomorrow's levels. Okay, so if we see today's high, right, where is the today's high? So it's near about 14,650 or 660, I would say. Okay, so 14,660. So if anyhow market opens below this particular thing or above this, means that means it opens flat, right? So if market opens flat, we are going to buy, because whenever market breaks this particular thing, it should take a upside momentum, because more buyers will be interested to buy this particular thing. Now why we are like, if you see this particular time frame, it is looking like why buyers will buy at this highest point of time, right? But your view will be very clear after some time. So our buying levels come is like 14,658 is our buying level, and selling level I will tell that I will not prefer selling in this market. If the market goes for selling, I will still wait to see. Okay, so like here clearly a trend is there, trend line is there. Okay, so for example this is the trend line, it's coming up. So this is the trend line, right? So market will come to selling only when this trend line is broken. It can take support from here and it can move up. So like selling I would not prefer, because if selling comes here, opens flat and goes for selling, it will take support here and again a pullback might come. So no need of doing that. We should not plan for any selling now, right now in the market. Okay, so we'll always plan for buying, and the buying level comes around very clear. It's 14,660. Okay, so above 14,660 there will be a buying momentum. And similarly for Bank Nifty. Okay, now Bank Nifty, if you see morning Nifty at this particular point of time, Nifty had already given the previous day's highs were already broken, right? So that's why I told like Bank Nifty move is still pending. Okay, that time when Nifty was like already had broken the previous day high, Bank Nifty was somewhere around here. So that's why I told the Bank Nifty move is pending. So that's why I've given a good momentum. Similarly, same thing goes for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty opens flat to like little bit positive, just plan for buying, nothing else. And similarly, a very good like trend line is coming for Bank Nifty also. Let us just plot it. So this is the Bank Nifty trend line. Okay, it is a very steep trend line. So anywhere if it breaks the trend line, it will come down to the previous support. So previous support is somewhere around here. Then the next support is here. So we have support here multiple times. Okay, so no need of selling, going for selling. We'll only plan for buying here, and the buying levels for Bank Nifty is 32,780. Okay, this particular area. Okay, so Bank Nifty, this is the scenario. Just mark your levels on your mind so you can just trade accordingly. Okay, so let us see some like few more points why we should buy at this particular point of time. Let's come to the daily time frame, because that is the most important time frame. Like if we go, okay, so this is our daily time frame, right? So if we see our daily time frame, let's take a trend line from here. So this trend line is clearly been broken, right? So this particular time when buyers will come in a positional manner. They will obviously take a position out here. So if we take a position out here, the next immediate target is 14,814 in intraday levels and coming to this next level. So this is, if you see just if you change the time frames, it will be very clear like why people want to buy here. It is looking in an intraday chart that it is the market has already given a run, but it's not the case. Okay. So similarly, if we come for Banknifty also is breaking the trend lines. Okay. So if you see in a daily chart, so in daily chart, this is a steep trend line that Bank Nifty has already broken, okay, but Nifty is yet to give that move. So this is our market level. So make it very clear. So tomorrow, if market opens in a positive manner or flat, if it opens flat, we are going to buy Nifty above this particular level, and we are not planning for any selling, okay. And if Bank Nifty is coming here, Bank Nifty is opening above this particular level, we are going to buy that Bank Nifty. That's it, okay. Mark your levels very clearly. We should not go against the market. That's it. So thank you guys. Have a good day.